My name is Rubenwue and I'm an artist working in photography. I'm here in Bolivia testing out the phaseone XT. I really love the XT. It really fits into my whole travel photography routine. As an artist, photographer, as a person who loves landscapes, it's important for me to take my time and experience the place where I'm photographing. It's a camera system which actually allows me and encourages me to take my time. It's a really great size and it has a combination of the IQ4, which is the best camera back available, and a camera which is compact. I can carry 2 lenses and the camera in my small bag, and I feel like I'm not carrying anything. We've been traveling overland through deserts, mountains, salt flats. It's not always possible to stop and to get out and to set everything up. This camera allows me to shoot handheld. You can rotate it while it's still attached to your tripod head. Being able to use the rise and fall controls on the XT is pretty amazing. The beauty of the XT is the fact that it's simple. The XT is controlled completely by the IQ4. I'm able to control using the touchscreen, shutter speeds, aperture, the live view. I find that it's simple just to have that one interface which controls the entire camera system. My goal as a photographer is to remain original and to redefine my own standards each time I go out and shoot.